So hello, welcome guys. Namaskar. My name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker. Here I am. So we are going to discuss about today something which is very interested. So I'm back after the holy vacations, and I hope that you are also playing holy very well. So my wishes to all of you. We are going to discuss about many things today, like how to work with the things which is right now we have in our platform, some strategies, some things. So please be with me, and don't worry, I will give you the information about all. Olymp Trade is always providing you some kind of this kind of webinars which is helping you to understand, and it's give you some kind of benefit in your trading. So guys, please be with me, and whatever you have, any kind of options, any kind of questions, feedback, anything would you like to tell me, I would like to request you, please share your feedback in comment box as well. So also remember one thing, this is live streaming. I'm providing you some information and I'm doing some trading in front of you. Please try to not copy the trades. Please remember, try to not copy the trades, just follow the things which I am providing to you, and that would be helpful for you. Otherwise it will be unnecessary problematic, because the trading is always a very risky thing. Okay. So we are going to discuss about the strategies, and we will discuss about some things first. Then what happened, then I will give you the answer of each and every questions which is you are sending on the chat box. Trust me, I will give you the answer of all your questions, but let's finish the topic first. So here I am sharing my screen with you as per the mobile application option. In the mobile application, what we saw here, just like some asset you saw, and the next to the asset there is a option called technical analysis. Technical analysis is the tool where we can find the strategies and indicators and some other tools as well. So we need to click on it. Once I clicked it, you can see it. I have some indicators, oscillator, drawing, some menu is here. However, let me inform you one thing. Whenever you are using the mobile application, you can get it with the horizontal way. Right now I am using the computer application, proper Olymp Trade application. That's why right now all these options are visible as a vertical way. So don't be worry about it. Please remember, you need to understand it and you need to focus on it. All right. So I'm going to click to the strategies. Here, if your strategies is coming as per your status, you are getting the strategies as per your all status and all thing. What to do? You need to click it and you can check it out. If you have only these 7 strategies, which is belongs to the blue batch, that is called actually strategies, which is starter strategies. Then we have another strategy which is called advanced strategy with the green batch, and we have one more strategies which is expert strategies, that is with the blue batch system. All right. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy called horizon. Let me click on it. I clicked on the horizon. There is a small window, small video coming, and that is showing actually the small tutorial video how to work with that strategy. Below there is a basics of the strategy and components, SMA, 2 SMA and 1 MACD. We need to enable the strategy. Once we enable the strategy is going to set in our account like this. Guys, remember one thing. Let me inform you one thing very honestly. Honestly say, strategy is not the guarantee of the success. The strategy can provide you the signal, but it's not going to be 100% accurate, because sometimes there is a glitch in the market, sometimes market is not so much accurate, and sometimes some reversal pattern can be start of support and resistance. So that's why sometimes the strategy is not going to work according to you. One more thing, we should open the trade according to the strategy. we shouldn't try to open the trade and we actually believe and we always want to strategy going to work according to us. Please try to not do this, because many of the time we always trying to that strategy can be work according to us, but we need to work according to the strategy. And also remember one more thing, always try to open the trade with the first signal or fresh signal. Once the signal become old, maybe you will not see kind of too much good beneficial things in the strategies. So I already opened the trade. However, let's discuss about this strategy. What is this strategy, how this strategy is going to work, and so and so. So the strategy is horizon. What we need to do with that strategy? The strategy belongs to the actually three things. Musafir ji, I understand your question. I would like you to please take some patience. I will going to provide you the answer in the last. Whenever you are going to just copy and paste it the message every time, sir, it is counted as a spam. So YouTube can count this message as a spam also. So please, I understand. I already saw your message. I kindly request you, please have patience. Definitely I will give you the answer. Don't worry. Okay, so horizon strategy. Just this strategy is based on the MACD, which is on the downside with the green and red lines, as well as the area chart type of blue color with the 12, 26 and 9 period, SMA 5 and SMA 22. What is the SMA 5? SMA 5 is basically that line, as you can see, the blue line and red line. How to get the details about that? So once you go to the strategy, you can check the SMA 5 is a blue line, SMA 5 is a yellow line, SMA 22 is a blue line. So basically whenever you are going to do all these things, you need to be first of all understand what actually is going on over there. So at least you know how to do, what to do, and from where to get the signals and all things. So first of all, let's discuss about the MACD, guys. MACD, the moving average conversions and diversions. Full form of the MACD. MACD basically is a trend following momentum oscillator, which is showing us a relationship between two moving averages of a asset price. The MACD is calculating and subtracting the 26 period EMA from the 12 period of EMA. Means there is a calculation and multiplier which is going with the 26 and 12 EMA, and according to that multiplier we are getting some results over here. So strategy, I opened the trade with the 3-minute time frame, and actually I opened the trade on the third candle. From the third candle I opened the trade, so this is going to be unsuccessful. How to work with the MACD? First of all, let me tell you, guys, as you can see here, let's change the asset price also, and let's see where we will get signals, so we can discuss about the trends also, and we can open some trades as well. Yeah, so MACD, here what we see, we have a horizontal way of the area chart, as you can see over here. So the horizontal way is always providing us a signal whenever the area chart is going to cross the horizontal way from down to up and up to down, then we are getting some signals. Sometimes what happened, the area chart not crossed the horizontal way. As you can see, it's a flat, the flat situation. At the time whenever the area chart is just walking near to the horizontal way or zero line, that means there is no trend. So whenever we see the line is crosses the above side, then we will have a chance, might be a upper trend. Whenever we see the line crosses the area chart zero line from up to down, we will have a downtrend, maybe small or maybe big. However, we have one more thing over here. As you can see, we have two lines over here, one green, one red. So green line basically belongs to the MACD itself. This is the MACD line. As the chart or MACD area, as the chart means asset chart or area chart moving, this green line is moving like the same. On the other hand, the red line is called a signal line. So it's important that how the green line cross the red line bottom to top or top to bottom, we need to understand the signal. As much gap we found in both lines, as much better signal we can get. So right now you can see this green line crosses the red line, but there is not too much gap in between both lines. So what is here? There is not too much trend. As sharp cut you can find in between both line. As sharply this red line. Okay, check this out. So here what we saw, this line crosses the red line, green line, very sharply from up to down. As a result, what we saw here, the horizontal way, the area chart is also crosses the zero line of horizontal way and down, and then we are having a downtrend situation. So you need to follow this first of all. All right, and then let's discuss about the SMA. What is SMA? Simple moving average. SMA is a technical indicator for determining that an asset price will be continue or reverse a bull trend or bear trend. What is bull and bear? Bull means upper trend, bear is downtrend, or maybe it's going to reverse. Reversal means we are having sometimes a reversal pattern also. Whenever we saw, sometimes what happened, sometimes this trend is going up and going up, and suddenly it's coming back. What we need to do, we need to focus on it, and then we should stop the trading on the same trend at the same time, and we can go according to the reversal pattern as well. Now, how to trade with this strategy? The important point. One more thing, SMA is the only indicator which is we can use either the separately, not using by any oscillator, or SMA we can use with combination of the other indicator and oscillators as well. So we need to open the trade. What to do now? Right now I open a trade according to the Martingale system. Let's see how to open the trade for a downtrend. Guys, as you can see right now, first of all, there is 3 signal we need to open the trade. And what are those 3 signal? First of all, candle should be red, and once the candle is going to be red, the SMA 5 means a level of yellow line should cross the SMA 22 means blue line from up to down. This crossover should be confirmed. When I open the trade, this line is already crossed the line, because sometimes what happened, if on the same candle, if you open the trade like this candle, which is right now, I'm moving my cursor right now. Sometimes what happened, this candle is going below and you open the trade. At the moment in the last, the candle is going reverse and it's going to close above the opening price of the candle. Then what happened, this line coming like this and it's going to be reverse. So please remember, the trend should be confirmed. You should confirm that okay, this is the proper trend and we should open the trade now. So candle should be red, the yellow line should cross the blue line, means SMA 5 should cross the SMA 22 properly. At the moment, MACD also providing us a signal, means MA should be below the horizontal way, as well as the zero line should cross or reverse from the red line. This is the basic way to open the trade. This strategy can be work for the fixed time trade as well as the Forex also. So it depends on you how you are going to use this strategy. So let's open some trade. And guys, I also request you, please, if you check any asset and if you are finding any signal, please provide me the details in the chat box so I can open the trade accordingly, because I need your help also, because every time I'm not able to open the every asset. So what we can do, let's check some signals and open the trade. So here what we see, there is no signal, because right now the SMA is only below the line. How to know the trend is going up or trend is going down? Okay, watch it carefully. What we saw here, the candles right now here is above the only yellow line. Until here, what we see, the candle reach the blue line and then closing below the blue line. At the moment, MACD is already crossed. But here, what we saw, the candles is opening above the both line. Candle is open above the both line. So this is the important thing. When we saw the candles are just reaching and trending above the both lines, that means there is a cross is already confirmed and this is a symbol to open the upper trend. As per the downtrend situation, the same pattern can be applied. Here we saw that red line is just below the SMA 5, means blue line, right? And here what we see, the blue candle is below the both lines, SMA 5 and SMA 22. So what we need to do, we need to just check all these things, because this is very important. Most of the time what happened, guys, trader doing some mistakes. And what are these mistakes? It's a very small mistakes, like if there is a half signal maybe, and people are just, because we don't have too much patience. So in that situation, sometimes what happened, traders are just open the trade in the half signal. Please don't. Please do not open the trade with half signal situation. You need to focus only with the proper signal. If the three signals are matching, then you can open the trade only. Remember this thing. So let's find some signal in other assets. Okay, here what we saw, the candles is above blue line as well as the yellow line, but MACD is not providing the signal, so only one signal is matching, guys, remember. So we have only one signal. In that situation, we should wait for the stopping end of the candlestick. Guys, remember, whenever you are opening the trade, do not open the trade in the middle of the candle. If you are using the graph time 1 minute, then I would like to request you to open the trade with, once the candle open and you see already that candle is in the starting way of first 10 seconds, like the duration of the candle is 60 seconds. So from the starting way, if first 10 second or maximum 20, means right now this candle is moving into the 40s. Now the 40s is finished, candles is going in the 30s. Do not open the trade. The entry point is very important, very, very important. If you are choosing the proper entry point, then I can say that 70 to 80%. However, sometimes it's going to be 90%, and according to the market, sometimes it will be not. But most of the time, if you are using the proper entry point, then you will have a chance to get profitable trade. One more thing right now, I'm sharing with you on my screen. So here what we saw, check this candle. This is the candle. Okay, let me open the trade and maybe there will be a reversal. How this reversal pattern is work? So what we saw here, this candle is coming to that level and then there is a reversal pattern. Next candle open, just reaching that area and reversal. After some candles here, these four candles, 4 or 5 candles, if you can check, that candle also not going below the previous candle, that is called levels. What happens sometimes, and the same as I mentioned, maybe we will have a reversal pattern here as I mentioned before. So this candle has also reached that area, this candle also reached that area, and then the candle is going back. This is the reversal pattern. If you remember, sometimes what happened, whenever we open the trade, this is a complaint most of the traders, the trader mostly complain that whenever I open the trade, once I open the trade from my starting point, my trade is going on the reversal pattern. Why? And some people are thinking, okay, this is just Olymp Trade doing something with their account. Actually, absolutely not. This is basically according to the levels. However, let me share. The screen is small, so maybe you can understand. Check my cursor here, the first which I'm showing you right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 candles is here, which is not actually crossing that area. So if we want that candle should be go below, then this candle should close below these all levels, below this level, then we can say yes. Then we can say yes, we will have a downtrend. On the other hand, for an upper trend, the same situation apply. If there is a level like this right now, okay, for example, we can take this as a level. If this candle is going upper and it's going to reverse from that area, then we should wait. next candle should be close open above this level, then we can say there will be a might be upper trend. Okay, someone asking me to explain this strategy again. So what we need to do, just choose the strategy from your technical analysis. What you need to do for this, go to the technical analysis section, which is just near to the asset price, click on it, then there will be a all menu, click to the strategy section, then we have 23 strategies. If you are an expert status holder, in the expert status holder there is a strategy called horizon. We need to click on it. There is a video. If you are in any kind of confusion at the time of trading, the tutorial video which is help you to understand the strategy as well. There is a basics and components. Enable the strategy. Once we enable the strategy is going to be set on your account automatically. So now we just moving near to the level. Let's open the trade for an upper trend. However, remember one thing, the chart, this line, guys, previously I told you, and this is the important news. This candle is not closed still, and the trend is also, the line is just touch the blue line. Right now the line is not crossed. If this candle is going to close more above level, then we can say the cross has been done. But till now we cannot say the cross has been done, because if this candle is going back or reverse, this line is just move from just touch that level or kiss the blue line and coming back. So remember one thing, the crossover should be confirmed of yellow and blue line, means SMA 5 and 22. This is the most important thing. Right now we see the crossover has been done, so you can open the trade now in that situation. At the moment the MACD is also above the line, the green line is also crossed the red line from down to up. So these three signals are important, which is we need to understand. If you want to open the trade by using this strategy in Forex, so what we need to do, let me go to the Forex account. Okay, and in Forex I have only one trade. Okay, perfect. So if you want to open the trade in Forex, then what you need to do, you should change your graph time from 1 minute to 15 minute, and this is working with a 15 minute to 4 hour. You can choose it from 15 minute to 4 hour. Whenever we are choosing the graph time which is a little bit higher than 1 minute, guys, remember one thing. Whenever we are using the graph time 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, or even 1 hour, we can say, I can tell you, sir, you will get a better signal and the better, proper way of the strategy signals as well as the formations of the candles. So here we have some examples of the reversal pattern. Check this out, this candle. So this candle just reached the green line, blue line, SMA 22, and just close below the line. So there is a reversal pattern. So from very next candle you can open the trade for a downtrend. So let me share some trades of mine which I just completed last week and today. So these are my trades, guys. As per the news last week, we were having a very nice news, is like Federal Bank interest rate, CHF Switzerland Bank interest rate, Australian Bank's interest rate, Central Bank of Australia, Central Bank of Britain. So all as per the interest rate, I'm just did this trading. So you can check that amount of the trade is $1,000. So my 5 trades, as you can see, I opened and I got the profitability of 150%. So overall in the 7-8 trades, I just get around more than $9,500. So this is in front of you. Completely different. Forex is completely different from the fixed time trade, guys. Please do not compare. Whenever we are opening the trade in fixed time trade, there is a time limit, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever the time you choose, and your trade is going to be closed in next that 2-3 minutes. But whenever you are going to open the trade in Forex especially, remember you should open the trade for us a little bit long time. All right, so let's move to the some other things, some basic examples and rules. Whenever you are going to open the trade by using this strategy or any of the strategy, remember again the time frame. So if we are recommending the time frame, see, if you put the graph time of 1 minute like I did here. So if you can check my trades, fixed time trade, usually I am using the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute time frame graph time, and I got some profitable trades, some big amount of trade, like you can see $2,000, 2000 USDT, and some small amount also $50, 50 USDT and all. So basically what is the graph time, what is the difference you should take in between graph time and trading time? So whatever the graph time you choose, suppose you are choosing 1 minute time frame for example, then trading time you can choose 2 minute and 3 minute and 4 minute as well. Means your trading time should be 2 to 5 times higher than your graph time. Remember, I repeat, your trading time should be 2 to 5 times, or minimum if you want, then it should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. If you choose a graph time 5 minutes, then your trading time going to be 10, 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to 20. So you can choose like this. Whenever you open the trade, if you see the candles are moving properly and providing the proper signal like this, upper trend, downtrend, properly coming, that means this is a high market active period. Whenever you saw these kind of candles, if you are using the Japanese candlestick, so this is working according to one green, one red, one green, one red type of situation. So this is the high volatile time, and that is called a low market activity. So try to not open the trade with that low market activity area. Open the trade with the high market activity time. If you see in the any single asset there is no too much activity happen, then change the asset. Do not worry. Do not bounded yourself or stuck yourself only with a one asset. Please don't, because this is going to be unnecessary risky for you, because every time you are not getting the signal on the same asset, guys. Please remember, you need to change. Just like whenever we are driving a car or riding a bike, we are always changing the gears. The same theory we should allow here also. We shouldn't ride our or drive our account of Olymp Trade, which is according to the one gear situation. You need to change the gear time to time. The most active time frame, someone asking the question also, the most effective time frame I must say that whenever you are opening the trades with as per Indian Standard Time, afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30. Okay, afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30, you can get some better signals. However, right now this is the time whenever some important economic news is coming, and in 1 minute the American market is also going to be open. So at this situation, what we need to do, we should try to not open the trade, because at this time if candles are not moving too much, if the 1 minute candle is just stuck to somewhere, do not open the trade. And remember, always try to open the trade whenever we are using this strategy situation. So in the asset we have some 10%, 30%, 60, 70% assets. Don't waste your time. Just choose the over 80%, and minimum your trading should be start with the 80% asset. However, maximum 93% is also available, so don't be worried. Try to use the Martingale system. Guys, you know what? Martingale is the one of the best system which is we can use, but people are not properly working according to that. Because just because of the psychology and just greed or sometimes anger situation, people are not properly using it. How the Martingale system is working? So I will share some of the trades with you, and you can understand how the Martingale system is going to work. Okay, so here you can see I opened the trade with $200, 200 USDT. So 200 USDT trades is negative. Then I open with the 400, trade number 2, that is also negative. So trade number 3 is $1,000. By mistake I opened this trade of $200. Usually the fourth trade is going to be amount of 4 times higher of your first trade. So let me make it very simple and easy for you. If you have $1,000 in your account, you should open the first trade with the $10. Do not use your maximum amount of your account of balance into your trade. Try to start with the 1%. Try to start with the 1%. So according to 1%, open the trade. If your trade is positive with the $10, then continue with the $10. No need to change it. No need to change it. Okay. On the other hand, whenever you are using the trade, if your first trade is going to be negative, then what you need to do, please try to make your amount double and then open your next trade with the $20. Open your next trade with the $20. If your $20 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to get some profitability. And what is that? You will have some profitability and recovering your amount of $10 also. Now, the situation is that whenever we are opening the trade, and if suppose our two trades are going to be unsuccessful, then what? In that situation, we try to understand first of all what is our mistake over here. Maybe we are using the same way or same asset. Well, I am using this theory. If my two trades constantly going negative in one asset, then I always change my asset and timing. Remember. And if your two trades are going to be unsuccessful, then change the asset, change the timing, change the strategy as well. Open your next trade with the $40, just double of the second trade. If your $40 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover your all amount of previous two trades and some profitability as well you will get. If your third trade is going negative, then what? Last trade. I am always providing this formula to the trader, which is called formula number 4. Why? After 4 or 5 successful trade, especially 4 successful trade or 4 unsuccessful trade, we believe in our mind is just providing, kind of chemical thing like, yeah, I'm invincible. Today is my day and I'm doing very well. So let's make some more, just some more risk should take, and we can just hike the amount and then we are having some losses. Don't do. Fourth trade you are going to open with the $80 to $100 according to the percentage of the profitability of asset. If your fourth trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to get recovery of all last trades as well as some profitability and take a rest break. Please, after 4 successful or after 4 unsuccessful trade, please take a small break. That break can help you to overcome from other things. Remember. Please take a small break and then continue your trading again. If these 4 trades are going to be unsuccessful, there is a 2 reason behind this. Reason number 1, maybe you are doing the same mistakes which you are doing before also. Or second situation is every time, guys, you are not doing mistakes. Sometimes market is also not good. So please understand and do the trade accordingly. Okay, let's take some questions. Guys, wait a second. Let me. Panku Gamer, hello. Karan ji, hi. GTA 6, hello sir. Ahmed ji, namaskar. Ravi ji, hello. What you saw, so shall you reap. Okay. Will Euro USD goes up tomorrow? Sir, I'm not an astrologer, but let me try to help you to get some news about the Euro USD. So just a second. Give me a minute, please. Okay, here we go. So Euro USD actually working near to the support level. This is the support level which is right now we saw, because the level of support is okay 1.08000. If you wanted to open the trade for a long term perspective, I can suggest you, please make a stop loss of 1.080. Then you can open the trade for Euro USD for an upper trend. Yes, there is a scope. Manish Gautam ji, hello. I want you to be my account manager. Karan ji, thank you so much for this compliment. I would like you to, if you are an expert status holder or advanced status holder, I would like you to please contact to the support team and tell them. So our concerned department is going to call you, and if you are eligible for this consultation process, then definitely I'll be an pleasure of mine, or so don't worry. GTA 6, from the past week I didn't attend any session. Why, sir? GTA 6, you are the regular viewer of our this webinar. Please don't do this. Can you please check Australian dollar, Canadian dollar FX analysis? Okay, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Give me a moment, please. Australian dollar CAD. So just a second, let me remove the strategy and we will discuss according to the support and resistance. I think it will go down because here, but you can see this level. Okay, the green candle, you can see it. So the level of the lower level of green candle is 0.88541. So 0.88500 can be reached. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. If this candle is close below this level, then we can say it will going to more further till 0.88434, like 400. So 0.00100 can be reached. So yes, there will be a downtrend maybe. Why maybe? Because market is complicated. Nobody is a guru of the market. We are just trying to assume the situation, and anyone can provide you the might situation of the candle, like what is the prediction, what might be happened. How to total profit overall, loss overall? Okay, nice question. So whenever we are going to use this account section, then whatever your currency you choose, click it over here, deposit, withdrawal, transfer, transaction. Click to the transaction sections and click to the trade. Then you will get the PDF, whatever you like, monthly basis, weekly basis, half yearly basis, quarterly basis. Then you will get the result. Thank you so much. Sorry for asking this question because this is not related about the trading, but I really want to know which application are you using for streaming. Sir, there is a many application. You can Google it, Musafirji, and you will have a chance to get many streaming application like OBS Studio is also going to be work well for that. So just find something. Google Devta is here for you. Okay. Vishnu Kant Shukla, please advise us Forex strategy, not FTT strategy, because it's only gambling. I lost 18 lakh rupees on Olymp Trade. I'm sorry to hear this, sir. But Vishnuji, there is one question. As you use this word, so I'm sorry to just repeat it. Who did gambling, sir? Understand my point, sir. Forex and fixed time trade, both are similar things. Means trading. But this is we, or this is I, who choose this shorter time frame. Because we didn't know about the trading, we didn't know about how the candle forming and how this situation is going on, what is the effect of the news, but we just wanted to get the money as possible as early as without any learning. And sir, understand my point, earning without learning is not possible. Anything without learning is not possible. If there is an engineer who want to become an engineer, if he is not going to engineering college, and he will not going to become an engineer, maybe he will become a mechanic. What that is also part time. So please understand, you need to control yourself, and you need to understand, you need to learn about the trading, and yes, it will work. However, this strategy is also work very fine. Every strategy working with the Forex apart from some of the strategies. So if you wanted to learn, please remember guys, this is for you as well. We have this help section over here on the downside. So just click on it, then support, help center, education, trading tutorial. There is a proper segment which is changed now, education. If you click to the education, then you will get the all help, like how to start trading, fixed time trade guide, forex trade guide, forex strategies, fixed time trade strategies, stocks guide, risk and money management, fundamental technical analysis, chart, how the chart is working, which type of chart we have, Japanese candlestick, drawing tools, indicator, oscillator, and trading advices. Everything is available. Just expend some of your daytime with this for getting the knowledge. Pakistan Country Khan, send $10 please, I start trading. I'm so sorry sir, Olymp Trade is not providing any kind of loan service. You need to put your own money, then you can make 10 to 100. Saraji, hello, Sana Media, hello, webcam sir, please explain this strategy one more time. I think I did. Kumar Arpit, hello. Why there is yellow green candles appearing? Yellow green? There is no yellow and green, sir. Red and green. Okay, sir, please also explain the psychology. I already did, sir. साबी सिंह, भाई पैसे कैसे कमाएं? सर आप गलत चैनल पे हैं, हमारा हिंदी चैनल यूज़ कीजिए प्लीज़. हमारा ओलम्प ट्रेड इंडिया चैनल है, वहाँ पर हिंदी में कंसल्टेशंस होते हैं, उसको आप ज्वाइन करें. जो भी लोग हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन लेना चाहते हैं, मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं, वो प्लीज़ ध्यान दें कि हमारा हिंदी चैनल है, उस हिंदी चैनल पे जाके आप एक बार उसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. Skype highlights what strategy is that? This is the horizon strategy, working fine with the fixed time trade as well as the Forex. Sebi Singh, sorry, this video is not available for remote playback, is unavailable right now. After closing this video, you can check the video that will be remain on the YouTube on our channel, so you can properly check it. Don't worry. अंकित वाधवा, सर हिंदी में बोलिए ना. सॉरी सर, हिंदी चैनल नहीं है, ये चैनल इंग्लिश चैनल है जिस पर आप अभी हैं. हिंदी का हमारा दूसरा चैनल है, उसे आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. आई लॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 10K in Olymp Trade, back to back trade in one day. The problem is that we are just doing back to back trade. First of all, we wanted to get the money as possible as earliest. Then we are having some losses, and then we wanted to recover our money as possible as earliest. So the problem is we are not changing the way of our trading. You need to change it. Why we are putting all our, we are just started our car without any knowledge, and we are just putting the top gear, and just we wanted to just become a millionaire on the same day. Please, it's not going to be happen. This is trading. Please take it seriously, just like you are taking your family, your education, your business, your job, your profession seriously. Please, I request you. We are here, and Olymp Trade is the only company who just providing this kind of webinars, some personal consultations, some Zoom consultations to understand trader that this is for you. You need to learn, and after learning, please make money. So I kindly request you, go to the education section, understand and change the way of your trading. Don't run for the early money. Don't go for the early money. Please remember, if you are getting the money early, maybe you will lose the money early as well. And the problem is that we don't know how to trade. Just learn trading and continue. That's it. So how many people watching RRR? There is a proper, dialogue on RRR. Load, aim, shoot. Best dialogue. So load, aim, shoot. Secret of the Olymp Trade as well, of trading as well. Even everything. Load, aim and shoot. Just you understand first of all what is going on, what to do, how to do, where to do. And from where you understand, you get the knowledge. Then aim according to the asset. Shoot, just trade. Sir, can we trade every candle? No sir, Manish ji. Understand, sir, this is what I am just trying to providing this knowledge to each and every one of you. Every candle is not for trading. Every time is also not acceptable for trading. whenever you are getting the signal, right now as you can see this kind of candle is coming. If I open the trade in this kind of any candle, most of the time I'm getting the losses. Why? Because this is right now market is highly volatile. So try to not open the trade in volatile market. Once market has become calm and you can see the proper signals, open the trade with the proper signal. What is the problem on that? Okay, risky, easy to win for me. Nice to hear. Okay, sir Armand from Philippines, please check Euro USD. Oh, sorry, gold. Gold is, I can say, the gold is going to reach near the level of 2,200 and there will be a slight change for a downside, I can say, for gold. Yep. Because gold has already crossed the border of 2200 and reaches on the 2220. So now if you can see the gold is going near to the 2200, then you can open a trade for a downtrend in Forex as well. I'm sorry, I'm talking about the Forex. Please do fixed trading. Sir, I did. Amol ji wanted to see my trading history. Yes sir, I definitely going to show you my trading history. The full trading history is here. You can see some big trades, small trades, profitable trades, lost trade also. I am not the son of God, but understand one thing. Every day when I am doing trading, most of the time, I can say 95% at the end of the day, I recover my losses and I'm getting some money. This is my way of trading. You can check it out even big amount trades, you can see it over here also. So nothing to worry, you can get. Okay, this is an example. On 12th March I did a last trade and I had a loss of 500 USDT. I stopped my trade, closed the day. Next day I come and I open the trade with the 1000 USDT and I recover my losses. Why we are in rush? There is no need to be in rush, no need to be in hurry. Just be calm, please. ओके हेलो हाय सर, मार्केट फ्लक्चुएट क्यों होता है इतना? देखिए, न्यूज़ आती हैं, जब बड़ा हाथी आता है, अमेरिकन मार्केट ओपन होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आता है. ओके, डिड हिंदी चैनल गो लाइव? यस सर, हिंदी चैनल कैन ऑल्सो गो लाइव. सो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द वेबिनार ऑन एवरी वेडनेसडे, सॉरी मंडे एंड थर्सडे, Tuesday and Thursday. I'm so sorry. Please, you can do trading accordingly. Yuvraj Singh ji asking, is Olymp Trade is legal? Yes sir, Olymp Trade is completely legal. You can check our all licenses and the membership certificate of the financial commission. Everything is on our website. You can check it out and will be fine. Sir, I am 14-year-old. Can I make money from trading? No sir. The trading is only for the adults. You need to wait for 4 more years. हेलो सर, प्लीज़ रिप्लाई. आज मार्केट बताया सर मैंने अभी एग्जैक्टली. लोड एंड शूट. ऑल राइट गाइस. ओके, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन आया है. सर, ओलम ट्रेड बैन हो सकता है? 7 साल हो गए सर सुनते सुनते. 2014 से ओलम ट्रेड कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. 6 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. मतलब ट्रेड, अब पहले मैं ट्रेडर हूँ. आई एम अ ट्रेडर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रिमेंबर. सो अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. पहले एक डिफरेंस पता कीजिए. अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस अबाउट द एक्चुअल फॉरेक्स एंड ओलम ट्रेड फॉरेक्स. एक्चुअल कमोडिटी एंड ओलम ट्रेड कमोडिटी. So don't be worry, we are not going anywhere. From last 10 years we are here and we will be. So one last comment. Sir, bro, I have a challenge in depositing in dollar. I am so sorry to hear about your inconvenience, sir. Kindly do one thing, please. Contact to the support team once and ask them. They will check and they will give you the proper advice. So thank you so much guys for today. It's a pleasure to talk with you all. Have a nice day. Please take care and best of luck for your trading. We will meet on next Wednesday. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.